Hello and welcome. I decided to build a dedicated edge router for multiple reasons, but separate server I can build load balancing and be more independent without my workstation PC, which has a router for Ovirt cluster now. This PC does not have massive mount for resource, only i5 Intel with 4 core and 8 GB of RAM, and OS host is Ubuntu 20.04. I will use these tools on this server and run virtual machine on KVM. But let's install Cockpit for managing the server and virtual machines. Next tool is KVM. Make sure that VTX or ANDV is enabled on BIOS and other VM features. Make sure that VTX or ANDV is enabled on BIOS and other VM features. Next, configure the KVM bridge network for inside network card, like in my case for F1 interface. For configuring KVM bridges, I have a second video on my channel and link to it on screen, but for this case only I configure the inside interface and use a second network interface directly on Sense. This interface called INP1S0F1 is my inside interface. Okay, let's try to connect this new GW host with the virtual machine manager. This may be required more permission to my user account so it can manage VMS. Also, this kind of connect required tool called SSH-SPass. Other option is to use SSH keys for authentication. Now connection asks password. Okay, connection works and VMS can be seen on the virtual machine manager, except that permission ain't right one yet. Then edit SSH deconfigure to only listen inside interface. In this case I got IP which end on point 3. If you more secure, change port other than 22. Remember to restart SSH daemon. Then servers auto updates. Ubuntu 20.04 got a tool called Unattended Upgrades which have many usually features. Next we open regular updates for OS. Then search remove unused kernel so the old kernel will be delete. Next old dependencies packages removal. Next automatic reboot. Reboot can be set on specific time to reboot. Then save the change and automatic update is ready for action. Then install missing tool for Cockpit which extend Cockpit features to manage KVM virtual machines. Now Cockpit have virtual machines management. This won't be full guides how to install Sense. Only a few key points for this project. I use Cockpit tool for creating this VM. First key point is to set automatic start on this virtual machine. Second key point is to attach a proper network interface to this virtual machine. This second interface does not have a configuration on host OS, so I directed Sense outside the interface. Inside interface is KVM bridge called inside. I will use this interface on other VM too. Thanks for watching and see you soon.